Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to delve into. We'll be exploring the vast possibilities within the world of commercial real estate. Whether you're an aspiring investor, a business owner looking for a new location, or simply someone interested in the dynamics of this lucrative industry, you're in for a treat. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Commercial real estate has long been a cornerstone of the global economy. From towering skyscrapers to bustling shopping centers, the possibilities seem endless. In this video, we'll cover everything from the basics of commercial real estate to the various types of properties, investment strategies, financing options, and much more. Introduction to commercial real estate. To start, let's lay the foundation by understanding what commercial real estate entails. We'll explore the key differences between commercial and residential real estate, the factors driving the demand for commercial properties, and the benefits and challenges of venturing into this field. Commercial versus residential real estate. Commercial real estate and residential real estate may seem similar on the surface, but there are significant distinctions to be aware of. We'll dive into the contrasting characteristics, including property types, lease structures, tenant dynamics, and legal considerations. Factors driving the demand. The demand for commercial real estate is driven by various economic, demographic, and societal factors. We'll discuss these factors in detail, including population growth, urbanization, technological advancements, and the impact of industry sectors on the demand for commercial properties. Benefits and challenges. Like any investment, commercial real estate comes with its own set of advantages and challenges. We'll explore the benefits of commercial properties, such as potential for higher returns and long-term appreciation. Additionally, we'll address the challenges, such as market volatility, property management complexities, and legal intricacies. Types of commercial properties. Now that we understand the fundamentals, let's move on to exploring the various types of commercial properties. From office spaces to retail centers, industrial warehouses to multifamily complexes, we'll cover it all. Office spaces. Office spaces are the backbone of corporate America and beyond. We'll discuss the different classes of office buildings, lease structures, and factors to consider when investing in or leasing office spaces. Retail centers. Retail centers are where businesses come to thrive and customers come to shop. We'll delve into the world of retail properties, including shopping malls, strip malls, and standalone stores. We'll also explore emerging trends and the impact of e-commerce on retail real estate. Industrial warehouses. Behind the scenes of the retail industry, there's a complex network of industrial warehouses that facilitate the movement of goods. We'll explore the different types of industrial properties, such as distribution centers, manufacturing facilities, and logistics hubs. Multifamily complexes. Multifamily complexes, including apartments and condominiums, offer a unique investment opportunity and provide housing for many. We'll discuss the pros and cons of investing in multifamily properties, rental market dynamics, and property management considerations. Investment strategies and financing options. Now that we have a good grasp of the commercial real estate landscape, it's time to explore investment strategies and financing options. We'll uncover various approaches to investing, from direct ownership to real estate investment trusts, REITs. Additionally, we'll delve into financing methods, including traditional loans, crowdfunding, and partnerships. Direct ownership. Direct ownership allows investors to have full control over their commercial properties. We'll discuss the advantages and challenges of this approach, including property selection, due diligence, and property management responsibilities. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs provide an alternative route for investors to gain exposure to commercial real estate without the hassles of direct ownership. We'll explore the types of REITs, the benefits they offer, and factors to consider when investing in these publicly traded entities. Financing methods. Commercial real estate investments often require substantial capital. We'll discuss the various financing options available, such as traditional bank loans, commercial mortgage-backed securities, CMBS, private lending, and crowdfunding platforms. We'll also touch on the importance of building relationships with lenders and understanding loan underwriting processes. From understanding the basics to navigating the market and identifying investment opportunities, we hope this video has provided valuable insights. Remember, commercial real estate offers immense potential for growth and financial success, but it requires diligent research, careful analysis, and a long-term mindset. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.